Oh. For screen for 1 second, I thought the market had crashed. The algorithmic scrum. The 8 o'clock scrum. Hey Joel, hey Rob, absolutely. Let's smash it today, guys. Oh, Pax Medica looking like it's making a bit of a move. Oh, spiked up. That was throwing it out. That's the algorithmic spike there. Nothing moving just yet. Sorry to hear that, Solar. My condolences. Everything underneath the VWAP now. So nothing really to write home about. The markets are looking buoyant today. So Ajax Therapeutics is popping up. It's just over $1. This is the top momentum stock right now. Hey Dennis, we missed you yesterday. This is the top momentum stock now. It's below $2, so I won't be touching it until it gets up to that kind of level, but it is the top momentum stock. So Ajax Therapeutics, and it's already up over 90% on the day. 21 million in the float. It's huge relative volume. He normally does about 17,000 shares in a day. It's already done 1.3 million. So Serena Therapeutics have announced a POD polymer technology license agreement with Pfizer. So why that's got anything to do with age, I don't know, but maybe it's a different name for Serena. Ajax Therapeutics, Serena, I don't know. All Fridays start off like that, Solar. Hey Ricky, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, well, you know, if you get the COVID, just stay away from people that are vulnerable. What's the connection with Ajax? So Serena is a wholly owned subsidiary of Ajax, that's why. So Serena Therapeutics has got a Pfizer collaboration, and they are a wholly owned subsidiary of Ajax. That's why it's moving up. Good. I'm glad to hear it. I've had the COVID twice now. Apparently you can't catch it twice, but I've had it twice. I know people have had it more than that, but yeah. Alibaba making a move up. Oh, gap down again overnight. Gap down hard. For $3. Earnings weren't good to Alibaba the other day. Yesterday, I think it was. Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Sold off hard on core earnings yesterday, and carried on selling overnight. That's what we missed yesterday, Dennis. You cracking the whip. Get that whip cracked. Yeah, so yeah, just smash the thumbs up button when you can. Give it a couple of little moves, nothing spectacular right now. The biggest mover on the day, SGD, was a big mover yesterday. I managed to get 3.5k yesterday, just managed to get 4k today. So SGD safe and green, big mover on the back of them announcing that they're not going to be going to market with their offering. So yeah, we've got Mural Oncology, also a big mover yesterday. NASDAQ upgrade. So Mural Oncology. Yeah, let's have a look at GAP. GPS. I had earnings yesterday. You look like a zombie, my love. Just don't bite me, okay? A beautiful zombie all the same. Dude, nice one. Nice one. Yeah, it was a nice run up. To be fair. Hey, see it. Good to see it. Yeah, so yeah, had earnings yesterday. Nice move. Look at it on the 15, you'll see it better. Nice move. Earnings after hours. Nice move up, and we're getting a continuation. So looks like the gap could be one to watch for today, maybe. Current high session is 1650, so that's the number to watch for any kind of bullish activity on. Yeah. So it's a higher float than I normally like to trade, but it is fairly highly shorted. It's 24, nearly 24% shorted at the moment. So with that move up yesterday, potential squeeze on the short is to cover for maybe a little bit of bullish action, additional bullish action. Nice one. Hey Radcroft, good to see you, buddy. Oh my days, what have I just done? Just go and close my thing off. That's not clever. Not big, not clever. Multitasking, not really my strong point at the moment. Need a holiday. Ouch. Yeah, thanks a lot, Ruth. Not there yet. We've got a little while. My beautiful beloved just came in after a nap there. She's just been taking a nap with the little one, and she looked like a little zombie, which it's kind of funny. Yes, Alistair. You need a holiday from those holidays. Who did you fly with, by the way? It wasn't one of these Jet2 low-budget yokes, was it? So I know a lot of those low-budget yokes fly out of Newcastle. It is indeed. Optics pulling back. Yeah, the longer term, it's over the last hour and over the last 30 minutes, it's pulling back. So you want to see increase in momentum, turnaround in momentum for SGD. Back to Medica, pulling back a little bit, but we'll see. Yeah, that was a nice double bottom, that one, dude. Nice double bottom. So on SGD, double bottom here. A good, healthy double bottom all the way up to the VWAP. Yeah. Oh, I missed my entry. I have to wait for the next one. Got the VWAP here as my exit, my stop. cents on the ATR. I'm giving it 30, so this should be more than enough room for it to make a continuation here at back over $8. You can mitigate that risk with smaller size there, Neith. You know yourself. Just take smaller size, just 100 shares or so. Just a hold 8 for me. Hey, Vols. Oh, right, okay, I'll sort that out. It's coming back. Oh. I didn't want to get. Okay. It's got me. Didn't want to get in there. Pressed the button a little bit prematurely, but we'll see. We're between the spreads right now. $0.25 risk on this. $0.10 on the spreads. Move up. Archetype setup. Breaks new lows, I'll get it. Cheers, folks. Ascending support too, Rob. Narrowing triangle is what it is. Lower highs, higher lows. Cheers, folks. And everyone else, good luck in the markets today. With me. 10 cents on the spread. Should break out to the upside and take the bid with you. It's just a scratch bloody trade, that one. Devil Horn, don't like it at 820. I'll let that either break out or break up. Which one was that, boss? This one was mental yesterday. I managed to get a nice piece of it. It was mental yesterday. But let's see if we can see this on the action yesterday. It was just stupid. I got FOMO with it and ended up taking a look at that. This was just mental. Look at all the halts and the gap ups, gap down. It was just mental all day. So halt, gap up, halt, gap up, halt, gap down. Oh no, gap up, then flush down, halt, gap up, halt, gap up, halt, gap up. Horrible, you know. Halt, gap up, flush down, then bounce, gap up, holding the gap up. Then it went green on the day. Up here, it's a flush down, flush up, gap down. I mean, it was just madness. I was watching this for the best part of 2 hours yesterday, and once it started getting a little bit easier, this is where I traded it here. Once it started getting a little bit more, the spread a little easier, this is where I traded it and got into a couple of halts here and managed to make 3.5k on it. But it was just madness. Look at this, from the top, $6, boom. Big gap down, flush into a hole, gap down again. And we were talking about this in the Discord. It's like, I hope no one was in that because that was just nasty. And then after hours, it just went mental all the way up to. Then this morning, first thing, let's get rid of. So this morning, first thing, it went again, $5 all the way up to $10, and that was nice. So, a couple of nice spikes. And that looking like it's trying to move. Like test the VWAP again. So this one was Mural Oncology, NASDAQ uplift yesterday. First day trading on the NASDAQ list yesterday. Yeah, I saw that. It's mental. $3 gap down. Wiggles, nonsense trades, calling out Wiggles. That's why your name is Nonsense Trade. That's not even a stock that's listed. It's probably on the OTC market. We're not trading the OTC market. No, talking to me, Volt, on the when I see things move, what I'm trying to do is take a smaller size and scale in. All right. In which case, it's testing the dollar. Bang and Lee, not my cup of tea. It is up heavily, so 144% up on the day. My goodness, that's the thunder. Thunder. this is yeah, but it's not my cup of tea. It's underneath $2. It's sideways, choppy sideways since the initial spike up to 120, but it went from 40 cents up to 120. Well, it went from 50 cents to 120 this morning. It's closed at 40 cents yesterday. It's got a high today of 120. It's above the VWAP, so it's bullish. If you like these low price stocks, fill your boots. You do you, boo boo. Not for me, but you know, you do you. Nobody chatting on the old TikTok. If you're commenting on TikTok, I can't actually see you, so I can't see any comments. Looking for, yeah, I'm not seeing any comments. Comments zero. So no comments on the old Talkity Tick. Get your finger out, guys. We need some interaction. Let me know you're alive. Two IPOs due for later today. So RR is already looks like it's priced at $6, and DDC Enterprises. So those two will go live today. They've already got they're already registered for live. So we'll see what time they go live later. In the meantime, the markets are looking nice and bullish again. Yesterday I called it, I said it's going to be a choppy day, but it will finish bullish. It will finish green on the day. If you look at it from a 15-minute point of view, yesterday I saw that it actually moved up, and then we opened up here just under 450, and I said we'd finish over 450, and we finished yesterday at 450.23. I called 450 as where the SPY would finish. So I'm not saying I'm the best trader on this platform. I must be top three. I've got to be top three, but you decide. So yeah, the market's looking nice and bullish again today. The S&P 500. I'm looking at the SPY here. So the S&P 500 is currently up 0.37%. The NASDAQ 100 is 0.12%. We've got the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is currently up 0.4%, and whilst it's been lagging behind over the last couple of days, it's leading the pack today. The Russell Index, the small cap index. So the small cap index 1.3% up on the day. So those are your index, and if we go back to the SPY, the S&P 500, you look at it on the daily. So let's look at it wider on the daily. This dip out of this bullish channel, bull market channel. We're now firmly in bull market territory again. We're above 451, testing 452, and right on the cusp of this median line here. So the median line there within this bullish channel, and long may it continue. So good action on the stock market at the moment. Good positive action on the stock market. Hey, Alistair. Yeah, everybody, all the freeloaders, all you leeches, come on, get your fingers out. Let's get the what was I gonna do? Yeah, sure, trades. Okay. So get your fingers out and hit that like counter. Let's get the thumbs up button. Let's get the like count up. You know the drill. Less than half of you have. So let's fix that. You need at least half of you have hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking there as well, Vols. Get away from that, all that selling that's happened over the last 2 days. Very, very red mentality over the last couple of days. There's no volume on this one. Let's have a look at GPS again. Gap. Yeah, not enough volume on that one either. Abcam. What's the deal with Abcam? Is it an acquisition? Looks like an acquisition. Let me have a quick look. Hey, Alberto. Yeah, cheers, Rob. Proposed acquisition by Danaher for $24 a share in cash. Okay, so it's an acquisition. You can tell straight away from the way the chart looks. Yeah, I guess we just sit and wait now. Is there a stock you want me to take a look at? Is there a stock that you're interested in? Yeah, the Fed is speaking today. It's not, there's no interest rates or anything like that, if that's what you're asking. Just tell you who within the Fed is talking. Okay, so we've got Collins speaking. We've got Barr speaking, but that's in 10 minutes time. We've got Goolsby talking at 9:45. Daly talking at 10. Collins again at 10:15. Yeah, so you can get on the Fed's website and or even on the YouTube channel, and should be able to watch that. If it's late where you are and you can't sleep, that's what I would recommend. Go on the Fed YouTube channel and watch them talking, because it's boring as hell. Yes, I agree, Morg. I think Alibaba is a little bit aggressive, but you've got to put it into context with the wider economic situation with the Chinese stocks as well. So Alibaba is down hard. It's down a lot more than it has been all year. This is kind of the low point all year. So I would say, yeah, Alibaba a little bit oversold. And you can stick the RSI on Alibaba as well. Put it on the if you put it on the daily, it's probably stick an RSI in here, shall we? Just for this one. What is that? Yeah, never heard of that. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that in the new year, Vols. I'm going to just do a small account, and that's it in the new year. So from January, that's my new challenge. I'm going to take a 5K account, and I'm just going to trade that one account all year, and see what I can do in a 5K account in 12 months. That's going to be my challenge. So yeah, so this is Alibaba on the daily. We're down here at under 77, and you can see if we go back, going back as far as January, it's the lowest it's been by a long stretch, and we've been even lower. So Alibaba is looking quite stretched to the downside at the moment. So if you see signs of reversal, which you know, swing trading Alibaba is not beyond expectation, I would personally look at options. It's a good way to swing trade. Look at options and expiry for the next earnings call, so the end of the year. Yeah. Well, if it's below the VWAP, I don't trust it. And the devil horns were true to fashion, the devil horns on that one. So as you can see here, the devil horns around here, and it sold off. So pay heed when you see the exit indicators or the reversal indicators. Pay heed, guys, because it's a sign. It's a sign from the almighty trading gods. Well, the huge sell-off on Alibaba, it was down at the lows, and then it rallied a bit, and then it's on the earnings. It's just really taken a big hit. So Alibaba, I mean, what does Alibaba do? Come on, I mean, it's like a poor man's Amazon. It's not really got a great economic moat. If you're looking at it from a fundamental point of view, from a long-term investing point of view, it doesn't really have any kind of business model that can't be replicated or to compete directly against them. So, you know. Good morning, Matteo. That's not a bad idea there, Vols. What I'll do is I'm going to be setting up a call during the stream next week with this this prop firm who I was speaking to earlier in the week. I've not got back to them, and it's my fault. I've just been busy doing other things. So I'm going to set up a call for live on the stream, so you guys can ask questions, and we'll set up a competition trading their platform, and they'll offer some prizes of you know, a trial to get funded, and I'll throw in some prizes too. It's probably worthwhile, and I'll put a hoodie or a shirt or a couple of other things in there. You know, a trade with Tony package. Which, by the way, get on the Etsy store and treat your loved ones to I Trade with Tony merchandise just in time for Christmas. Dancer moved up nicely yesterday, pre-market, and then sold off all day, pretty much losing half of its gains. So, got to see if this continues to move up. back over the VWAP, but we tested $8. Missed the move back over the VWAP. So the VWAP, I mean, it's right now, SGD is safe and green, is just choppy sideways. So I would say wait for the break of 825. Going to start exhibiting more bullish activity. And let's look at it on the hourly. Stop doing that. Yeah, so 864 is the last hour. Current candle high 820. So yeah, if it gets over 820, maybe. Now it's back to the VWAP. Oh, back to the VWAP. Then maybe a VWAP bounce here over $8. I'm not convinced. My spreads are even wider now. So spreads are like between 15 and 20 cents. They were 10 cents when I traded earlier. Between 5 and 10 cents earlier. Now it's 15 to 20. Oh, 4 cents there, but. Hey, dude, nice one. That's a good trade. Yeah, I can see where you get in there. Oh, I'm sleepy today. Low stock mover, or low priced stock mover, should I say. Harbour Custom Development went up to 112. Not what I like to trade, but you know, do your own due diligence, fill your own boots. At Morg, once you've got a live account, they'll let you trade most things. So the thing with this prop firm that I'm talking to is they have it's high liquid stocks that they will allow you to trade for the challenge. So it's a challenge. Rain's coming down hard, storms here. So the challenge is that you prove that you can be profitable over a period of time, and they will then give you a live account. Now, the live account might be with a broker like Interactive Stockbroker. So if it's Interactive with a sterling platform, you're going to have access to the majority of stocks. And the thing is, it still means that you still have to adhere to the profitability rules. But yeah, and what I'll do is I'm not going to go into too much detail, because I think it's probably better if I let those guys answer the questions, because you've probably got a lot of questions that I don't know the answers to, because every company, every firm is slightly different, and they're probably no different either. So I'll arrange the call, and I'll ping out an email later today, and I'll arrange a call for Tuesday or Wednesday next week, and we'll get on there and we'll organise something for you guys. Alibaba loses billions. It's lost 20 billion with a B. $20 billion from the highs. I'm just reading this now from Reuters, and they're saying that the reason that they scrapped plans to spin off the cloud business is because because of the uncertainties fueled by US curbs on exports of Chinese semiconductors, which are used in AI applications. So Yeah, Alibaba, poor earnings, but on the back of that geopolitical, economic tensions between the US and China as well, it's not going to help them. Safe and Green moved up 40%. Alpha Technology yesterday was another big mover. Wave Dancer, big mover yesterday. So let's see what happens today. Yes. My goodness. I don't know if you guys can hear that rain, but Seals Q Corp. Low price stock, but it did pop up to 175 there a moment ago. But at the moment, it's very choppy. Choppy as hell. This is, let me see, pop up to 8 there, back down to 745, and back up again. It's just very choppy today, guys. Yeah, my goodness. Usually, I'm going to have to be wary about trading, because usually when we get storms like this, yeah, smash that thumbs up button. We're making Dennis have palpitations here. And come on, Dennis is suffering from the old COVID as well, so help him out. Poor guy's got enough on his plate with the COVID. He shouldn't have to be begging you guys to give me a thumbs up, smash the thumbs up button. So come on, guys, let's get that let's get 15 more people smashing that thumbs up button. If you've not smashed it yet, you know you want to. That's all I'm asking you to do. Smash that thumbs up button. Cheers, Dennis. Appreciate that. Well, you're the problem, dude. Once you hit it, once you clicked it, don't click off it, because then you're taking the thumb up. You're taking the like away. You don't be doing that. You only need to do it once. If you're watching on TikTok, you can click it loads of times. I need 11 more likes. So guys, come on. I'm gonna flood you with the commercials if you don't hit the like button. Yeah, so big mover at the moment. S&P 500 down below the VWAP right now, still up on the day, but not such a good story on the old NASDAQ. So the triple Qs have just gone red on the day. So the NASDAQ now slightly red. NASDAQ 100. Not worried. I'm not worried about that. I still think we'll have another green day today overall, unless the Fed says something stupid about whatever. It's the same catalyst, flip chart. The continuation from yesterday. So SGD announced that they do not intend to go ahead with their secondary offering. So that's why the stock's running. Is that they had an offering registered and they don't intend to go ahead with it. Yes, I have, Mark. Yes, I have. And yes. You don't need to tell them your password, just your account number, and you get them to exit. What I've found is if you have the option to use the mobile interface to exit a position, use it. Just as a backup. It's not a great platform to try and trade with. I wouldn't do it, but you can try and you can get in and out of positions. So yeah. But I have had that. I think I had that live on stream at one stage. I was in a position that was I was trying to get out, and it wasn't, for whatever reason, the order wasn't executing. How can you join Top G? What do you want to join? The day trade with Tony application. Just click on my face. Hey, how you doing, Earth and Honey? Click on my face, Top G, and that'll take you into my profile. There's a link tree there, which is a link which goes to a link tree which has all of the links that you'll need. So you don't need the merch link, which is the top one, but you've got the education, you've got the scanners, you've got the platform, you've got the journaling, you've got the charting. Everything's in that link tree. So from a trading point of view, I'm not offering, I don't do trading for people. I don't offer signals or alerts. Anybody that does is a scam artist, just like I'm just putting that out there. So, you know, you don't get anything for nothing. So if somebody's saying, join my group, it's cost X amount a month, and I'll give you signals and alerts, and with this profitable, everybody's making money, don't touch them with Alistair's wallet, seriously. The scam artists, particularly if it's on Telegram or WhatsApp. And Telegram or WhatsApp, it's full of scam artists. So if you want to learn how to trade, I'm happy to teach you. If you're hoping to turn $100 into 100 grand, it's not going to happen. Just spend that $100 some other way. Buy you know, some fractional shares of this. Buy 3 TQQ shares or something. Yeah, absolutely. That doesn't surprise me, Top G. That doesn't surprise me. So, look, there's only one way to make money on the markets, and that's learn how to trade. If you think by the shortcuts, if you think that you can copy someone else, copy trading doesn't work. Trust me on that, because I got burnt on that when I first started. Copy trading doesn't work. Two reasons for that. The first thing is that if you're copy trading on someone, you don't know what size of account they're using, you don't know what their risk for tolerance is. So if you try and copy them, you know, like for like, they might have a big account in behind, and they can average down, and then you blow your account up, and that's why copy trades don't work. Also, if you go on a platform like I'm not picking on eToro, but let's say eToro, okay? It does have that copy trade. There's a whole bunch of copy trade platforms out there, and you look at some. You'll pick someone to copy, and you'll look for people. If you don't know what you're talking about and you don't know what you're doing, as most beginners are like that, kind of wet behind the ears or green as grass. You look for the high percentage winners. So you're looking for people that have got like 90-95% success rate. And if you've got somebody that's a trader with a 95% success rate, it's not real. The likelihood is that they're taking positions, and it's calculating the trade success based on realized positions. So they're not actually realizing any losses to keep their accounts ticking over with that high success rate. And yeah, I would say if you look at those traders with a 90% plus success rate, they're not real. The link, you can see the link, just click on my face, take your finger, push my face that you can see on TikTok. It will take you into my profile, or even don't even do that. Just swipe left, take your finger, swipe left, top G. There's a link there. Underneath there, you'll see all of the videos that I've done for TikTok. There's a link there just above it. It says Linktree TikTok trailer. Click that and go through to the Linktree, and you've got all the links that you need there, buddy. Yep. Broke a new high, so it broke out of this briefly out of this 820. Got rejected at 820 on a swing high before. So interesting to see how we get on here. Yeah, and if you want to get on there as well, Top G. If you come to the Day Trade with Tony education platform, and you want a discount, I'm doing a November special. We're up until the 30th of November, so Black Friday is next Friday, but I'm starting the sale earlier, so you can actually get on that with Black Friday, and it's 40% off until November the 30th. So 40% off November 30th. The code that you need to enter is Black Friday 40. So check that out, and you can effectively get a year's tuition and mentorship for $600. You get the access to the full course if you want for a month for less than $100, and that's nothing. It's giving it away. So check that out. If you're watching on YouTube, links in the description. Rumble, link in the description. Yeah, I don't trust this at all at the moment. It's just rejected 3 times at 820 now. No worries, Top G. And if you go into my Linktree, if you get stuck, just send me an email. My email address is there in the Linktree as well. You go to my profile, you can get access to all my socials, my email, direct message, whatever. Morning, by the dip. We missed you yesterday. Oh, actually, I think you're banned, aren't you, by the dip? You went watching someone else's stream. Traitor. Someone told me that you love somebody else, and I had a heart clutch moment by the dip. Hey, Addict, how you doing? Yeah, well, we've got half an hour to the open. Half an hour. I've still got Weir's lines on the TikTok stream. Weir's lines. I don't know what you mean by Weir's lines, but weird lines. I can get rid of that. That's no problem. Yeah, I just got rid of them. That's why I knew what they were as soon as you said it. Oh, it's been doing that. It's been doing that all morning, which is why you got to take profits quick with it. In and out. Don't try scaling in and out. Just in and out. Okay, Top G, I'm not sure what you're after, guy, and I can't handhold you. So look, if you want to learn how to trade, just come to Day Trade with Tony, and I'm happy to do that. Okay. If you sell it before you have it, Peanuts, yes. So if you buy it, then sell it for 10 and then buy it back at 9, no, that's not shorting. So if you buy it at 9, then sell it at 10 and buy it back at 9, then no, that's not shorting. What you do is you sell it before you own it. So you borrow shares from your broker, or you pay for locates if your broker has no shares for you to borrow. You sell, and then as it moves, price moves down, you buy it back. So the best analogy I can use is you've got the latest iPhone, the latest iPhone, the iPhone 15 or whatever it is these days, and the iPhone 16 is coming out next month. So I say to you, can I borrow your iPhone 15 that you're not using? You say, yeah, there you go. So I borrow your iPhone 15, I go and sell that for $1,000. And then when the iPhone 16 comes out, that iPhone 15 is now worth $500. So I then go out to the market and I buy another iPhone 15, not necessarily the same one I sold, but buy another iPhone 15 for $500. And I come back and I give you your iPhone back, and I've made $500, because the difference between me selling it for $1,000 and buying it for $500 is $500, and I've paid you back your iPhone. So, and everybody's a winner, except anybody that is wanting to use an iPhone because of crap. Well, there you go, Alistair. But yeah, you borrow shares at a higher price, sell them, and then buy them back at a lower price, and then you give those shares back to your broker. That's shorting in a nutshell. Oh. If you buy a funded account challenge and fail, no, you don't have to pay back money from your personal bank account. Okay. I'm not shorting at the moment, Park. No. A funded account challenge, you pay for the entry to the funded account challenge. They will give you a funded account simulated challenge. So you won't be trading with live money. What will happen is if you pass that challenge, they will then fund you an account, and they will have hard stops on the drawdown. So the maximum that they're going to lose is whatever the drawdown is. So that's how funded accounts work. They won't fund you unless you can prove to them, or that over a course of time, that you can you've got a profitable strategy, and you can actually show that and demonstrate that in the challenge. So if you, in the challenge, if you get one stock, for example, it moons and you make $6,000 on that one stock, which takes you over that percentage that they're looking for, they won't, if any trade is more than like 30 or 40% of the challenge target, they won't take that into account, because that could be seen as gambling or getting lucky, or, you know, abnormal trading. So they're looking for consistency. They're looking for signs of consistency and signs of profitability. They're looking to see that you can manage risk. That's what, yeah, is it ever? It's moving back up again now. Down to 730, from 820 to 735 and back up to 790. This is a spice a little lighter, but it's just choppy. It's got volatility, but you know, it's got range as well. 20 cents on the ATR at the moment, but it's just chopping sideways. There's no momentum. If you look at the VWAP, it's right now the VWAP is almost horizontal, and the action is it's below it, it's above it, it's across it. It's so right now I'm not trading this again until I'm seeing clear bullish momentum. Now going back to the shorting conversation we're having with Peanuts, this is on the hard to borrow list, so you'd have to pay for locate if you wanted to short it, and you probably pay a nice premium to do so. Mid back up again, so Seals Q Corp. Back below VWAP, so missed that little spike. Not that I would have traded it, but up to 180 on that move. Could be interesting if it gets over $2. Yesterday finished just over 11k in total, and I finished the stream just under 8k, and then I went on to trade SGD, and I made another 3.5k on that, so I finished just over 11k in total. 11,448 is where I finished yesterday. The three good green days out of 4. We had a red day on Wednesday. I see what you're saying. This one here. Oh yeah, Peanuts. Yeah, we did that. We did that a while ago. We did that last month, I think it was. I think we did it a couple of times last month. Just have a look at this overall detail. Oh, we actually crossed the million mark in crossed the million mark in July. Gross. We're now up at 1.315. Ruth, I don't usually trade all day, and anybody that trades all day, what are you doing, guys? I mean, the whole point of, don't do a 9 to 5 if you want to do it all day. No, I don't trade all day. I'm missing this. It wouldn't suit me to trade all day anymore. I'm based in the Philippines now. As of July, I'm based in the Philippines. So I'm 13 hours ahead of the market. It's got some volatility on it. It's prone to bloody big flushes, so I should have learned my lesson. Well, what am I going to do? I'm going to buy the VWAP. About 2 o'clock in the morning, between 2 and 3 in the morning there around. Right now it's 10:15. Yeah, 10:15 p.m. That's the biggest volume candle of the day so far. All these upwards all across the board on this one, it's mad. It'd be like that sometimes, Rob. Talk about whippy. Well, in a minute, Dennis. $13 minutes, just under 13 minutes to the open. Hey, Robin. I did well on Monday. Shut up. And Tuesday and Thursday. No, it's so Mark pointed out earlier the structure that it's in there. It's got an ascending support, and it's still within that structure at the moment. So that's why I'm still holding it. So it's had an ascending support since just after 7 a.m. No, actually, Mondays, it's not just October. Mondays are typically my worst day of, since I started, Mondays typically would be my worst days. Followed slightly behind by Fridays, so. I don't perform as well on Mondays. I mean, I've had some big days every day of the week since I started at one stage or another. But you've got to look at the bigger picture, and from a statistical point of view, Mondays are not good for me. Oh, I wouldn't say that I'm still profitable on a Monday, but overall, it's my weakest day. When you've got a 37-cent ATR, 38-cent ATR, 37.7, plus the spreads. I'm less than 2 ATRs away at the moment. I'm not trying to justify holding on to this loser, because that's essentially what I'm doing. But if it does break a new low, I think I'll have to exit. As long as this is, it holds, if it holds, can hold the VWAP and then start moving up, break back over 8, we're bullish. Below 750 and not so much. Nine minutes to the bell. This will probably ditch at the open. Cheers, BU. You're a poet and you don't even know it. Well, spreads aren't too bad. 5 cents at the moment, but they have been as wide as 20. So 7 cents on the spreads there now. $10. Yeah, this stock just punched me in the face, but I'm still standing, so we'll see, Vols. Well, it's not much of a catalyst getting. They're not going to market with a secondary offering. It's not much of a catalyst, but it's not so much you want a catalyst, yeah, but you don't have to like the catalyst. I mean, the catalyst could be as weak as an analyst rating, you know. It depends how the market reacts to it. It's the price action that you want to be trading, not the news, not whether you like the news or not the valuation of the company, whether it's a good company or not. It's you trade the momentum, the price action. I mean, there's lots of companies I like and that I've not traded. I won't trade because there's no volatility in them. But as companies, they're sound, profitable, strong companies with, you know. Yeah, the catalyst is that they had an offering that they were going to go to market that they're no longer going to be going to market with. So they're basically recalling the secondary offering. That's the catalyst. I should just cut this now and stay green, really. Can always get back in if it then takes off. Is there anything else moving? Wave dance. Wave dancer. No. Not enough volume on Wave Dancer. Yeah, everything's choppy at the minute. Everything's just choppy at the minute. We've got less than 5 minutes to the open. I don't know if that's an insult or a compliment there, Cal. Am I really a profitable trader with a track record? Yes, I am, Pizza Raiders. If you go on my YouTube, my track record for the last few years is there. Every single day I've been trading, it's all there. As well as my broker reports, but you can actually watch the trade. All recorded. Alibaba making a bounce now. Alibaba over 77. Back over 77. How's business blooming? I don't like blooming. I'm not a florist. Now, I'm not going to be averaging down far. If it gets back over $8, I will be scaling back into it for a move up if it looks bullish enough. But I'm not averaging down at this stage. It's underneath the VWAP. I'm not averaging down below the VWAP here right now. But if it starts to move up above $8 and it's coming in with good volume, then I will add to the position to scale back up. A retest of 850. 2 minutes. Got 2 minutes to the open. I'm watching from a swing low, lower low here on the 5 minute. Got a minute. I'll change the scanners over. We've got a minute left of the pre-market session. Yeah, a dip and rip, that's not uncommon when it's for something so high up. I mean, it's 146% up on the day. Yesterday, it moved up huge amounts as well. So it went from, I think, about 40 something cents up to $6 yesterday. Like 500 and something% up on the day yesterday before it pulled back. I'm down $1. Give it 20 cents from the open to flush into and stop me out. All the volume coming in there. That's how whippy it is. As that made a new high, I pressed the buy button and it went back and I got filled lower. So I got filled pretty instantly there then. Yeah. Gotta get out. Yeah, hold down. Yeah, small gap down. Well, the also selling off. So let's have a look. Mirror halted to the upside. Not on great volume though. That was the first minute. So this should be resuming at $6. So nice gap up on Mural Oncology. So this sold off hard yesterday. Oh, are we going to get a reversal? We've got in this. We've got a minute before this resumes. We've got RR is due to go live any minute. So that's the first IPO. EDC Enterprises is the second IPO. Alibaba breaking highs, testing $78 now. Let's see, $6 gap to $6. Any second now. $540 the halt to the downside, $660 to the upside. So there's the halt to the downside. Where's things sustaining? Over $6 I might be interested, but 514 downside. Or PTX, not got the best volume. It is the top mover at the moment. Recent IPO. Connect Optics. Recent IPO. Now above the VWAP. It went up to over about 850, something like that. Premarket. Higher day, 695. 5-day 712. Whoa, 20-cent spreads. Where did that come from? We're looking at like 3 and 4 cent spreads, and then they just went 20 cents. Ouch. That's 2K with a 10K position. Just on spreads. SGD looking to make another move. And a bounce on $7. That 20-cent spreads I don't like. SGD over $8 now. Wow, that's going to halt to the upside. That's mad. It's absolutely madness today's SGD. And it's struggling up there, coiling under 710. 5 days, still 712. I've got devil horns on the 5. Yeah, a bit all day, absolutely. When Pixie went up that time. A lot of flushes to both ways. Big movement across the board. Oh, dang. Need to get out of that. That's painful. Where's the cat? Bloody lizard on the floor in my peripheral vision is distracting me. Looking for a break of 5 day. And silly games. Come on, test that high. Test the high, over $8. We need you over $8. Oh. Any off on the ask at the moment. I hate consolidation. Let's get over $8. You know you wanna. 8.70s. Come on. That's $9 again. It's not a good strategy, that Penn State, to be fair. I did think we want to get the breakout there at, as we approach the high of the day, so that's why when it flushed, or by the dip, I thought we'll get a bounce. I should have actually come out when I was 820. That's just it. You got to be quick, or it pulls back like that. Too low here, and I'm definitely gone. There's a lizard just there underneath the door. Get the Ming Ming. You just stepped over it. Take it to the Ming Ming. Well, I'm not double and tripling down this time. Wait for this to either stop me out or break $8. was having a good week up until today, so I can't finish it off bad. So come on, let's break highs, SGD. You know you wanna. 840. Let's do it. No, that's 740, not 840. Come on. A halt up. Oh, that would be fantastic. We'll see. Halt to the upside will be very nice. I don't like it. It's not bullish below the VWAP. I know it's been kind of slapping up and down. It's going to stop me out here, and I'm done for the day if it is. I'll take a big red day. We've had a good week so far. Stay green on the week. That's important. That's GPS up at 1775. It happens to us all with those. Red days are inevitable. No, absolutely, Robin. You know what? I know that feeling. Discipline to cut a losing trade is something I've been failing at of late. Well, actually, I've been doing okay this month. Up until today. October was terrible. Had a lot of action like this in October where it was just choppy sideways. 680 to 840, so it's like $100 $1.40, $1.60 range since the open. OPTX is actually making nice moves, and I lost on that, so it's back up at $7. That's a lovely double bottom on OPTX. Look at OPTX breaking highs. Right in here was fine, and then it just flushed all the way down. Yeah, double bottom there. And what was you going to do? You had to cut it some stage. Well, there's some big moves, some big volatility at the moment with a lot of these stocks. What my 2 pennies worth is get green on the stock, take some profit, lock it in. And if it then pulls back, get out at break even. Because some of these swings are killers. The volume does die off towards 10 o'clock. OPTX at $7 is looking nice. Oh, and just for those of you that are looking at new strategies and things like that, the moving average crossover strategy, you've got the golden cross here. So the 9 cross the 20. And that's pretty much where I got in on the next candle, and then it flushed down. So the moving average, it's actually not too bad. But on its own, it's not worth its salt. You need it with other things. You need to trade it in conjunction with other price action. Price action is the best thing that you can use for trading. But moving average crossover for a confirmation, maybe if you wanted to get a move up and the price action is good. And that golden cross there happened below the VWAP, which is not a good sign either. So. Oh, the range on OPTX. Is it the spreads or the range? What's the spreads like on it? Ah, yeah, 30-cent spreads, that's why. Look at that. 30-cent spreads on a $7 stock. Yeah, gap's not... it's moving up, it's nice and solid, slow moving up, DPS, gap. Looks like I'm getting stopped out here, and that's me done on the day. Yeah, it's a choppy old day. Don't worry about it. If you're red, join the club. Yesterday was a good day. Monday, Tuesday, good day. We're still green on the week, regardless of what happens here. What the? Yeah, so watch that bounce now. Previous low 680. Where bounced previously. It's 28. Where was I? Let me just have a quick look at the stats. Where was I on the week? I need to zoom out. Not feeling too good about myself right now, but let's have a look. November. That was 22, 31. Yeah, we're pretty much break even on the day, on the week then. So we're looking at break even on the week. Still good on the month though. Still a good month. $113 less 28. What's that? 75? No, 80. No, 85. 85. £85 a month. So that's not a bad month. We've still got plenty of time to go. All kinds of creepy crawlers in the Philippines. It's the geckos, you know, the little lizards. You see, it doesn't matter what you do, they get in. I'll feed them to the cat. I'll let the cat have them. There's one going across my field of vision, running across the floor, and I saw it, so I thought, where's the bloody cat? And she needs to earn a keep. Yeah, there's volatility today. Just kind of don't want to make a big red day a worse day. Tell me about it, Alistair. Tell me about it. Oh, it's actually pulling back. It's below the VWAP, so if it gets back above the VWAP, it might be interesting. So this is kind of at 720, it's a high of day, a new high of day. We've got a couple of IPOs today as well. Which bioscience, not great volume. There's reverse stock split, very sideways. Gap has been moving up on earnings pretty much all day. It's double topped up there at 1774 though. So the question is, can it get over 1774? No, dude, one of your best green days. Lock it in. Have a good one. Yeah, I was red on Wednesday as well, Alistair. Oh, I'm barely green on the week now. It's kind of giving the week's earnings back. But I've been in with situations. It's finding a lot of resistance at the $3/4. There we go. Back to the base hits. Yeah, it's gonna be light volume week next week. Probably only a 3-day week, really. Black Friday doesn't really tend to throw much. Which I might add, if you want to learn how to trade and not lose 28k in a day, I can teach you. I can teach you how to lose 28k in a day. But you don't want to do that. Do as I say, not as I do. That's what I would say. But you can get, talking to Black Friday, you can get 40% off joining the Day Trade with Tony education platform. Link in the description. Base hits, let's start. As we mean to go on. Well done, good dude. Congratulations on a great day. Don't do targets there up ETX. I think it's silly when you do targets anyway. You call out an arbitrary number and hope it hits that. Good job, dude. Highest day right now is 91, so 1791. What I'm looking for, that's that high. You know, a dip and crap more like. Damn, it's not shortable. Let's have a look at that. What's the resumption looking like? The halt to the downside. It's pretty level on the resumption. 630. And Ooh. What's going on here? Safety shot. Yeah, I'm not touching this. Yeah, S3. So 50 shot. They registered the shelf yesterday, so I wouldn't touch that. Way too risky. Just to rip up my bank balance. You know, the problem with the market and trading as a day trader on your own is you take it personal. You have a bad day and you're like, what the hell was I doing? What the hell am I doing? OPTX is 670 underneath the VWAP, trying to move back up again. Gap is pulling back. What a terrible day. Terrible day for me. Alpha Tech had a really good day yesterday. Gap down overnight. Trying to make another move back up. That takes me red on the week. Still green on the month, but takes me red on the week. So let's see. Need to get a couple of small green trades in just to get my eye back in. Oh my God, look at this. $1.50 on the spread. $25.94 on the ask. Up here at the highs is where the ask is. $25.94 and 24.59 at 24.60 on the bid. Lovely. Hey, it's not shortable. Well, it's shortable, but it's hard to borrow there, Neith. So you can't short it, you know? And it's extended. It's when you're going in big and it's extended. It's a risky play anyway. So you've got to, you know, review that trade and realize that it was never on. Right. We might have saving grace if we get some volatility on these EDC enterprises. IPO just gone live 3 minutes ago. So DDC enterprises halted to the downside. I always say let the first 5 minute candle form. So we've got that first 5 minute candle here. Now let's see, that's your range. 8.50 to $7, the $1.50 range there. Let's see which way it goes. Yeah, absolutely. Got no action on RR yet. DDC, double R, and DDC. Those are your IPOs for the day. $0.25 spread now, but I mean that $1.50 spread was just madness. I mean, there's no volume on it. You can't really trade it with no volume, but that's why the spreads were so poor. When did this halt? 2 minutes ago, so yeah, that'll probably be halted till at the bottom of the hour now. Why am I not seeing that on the scanners? Got volume. Oh yeah, there it is. 7% up in the last 15, it's up 10% up on the day. How are you guys doing? Not as bad as me, I guess, but I mean, have you managed to be green? I think we've had, the dude's had his best week in a long time, so his best day in a long time, so that's fair play. Anybody else had a nice green day? Cheer me up. Tell me you're profitable, guys. Nice. You're green, Tom, again. Well done. And Alistair's green again, so nice. Oh, Matteo, you probably did okay not to get sucked into the FOMO. Well done by the dip. Over goal. You lost 22% of your account there, Robin. No, me and you. If you're up, fair enough. Yeah, absolutely all day. It's a consolation if you're up at goal. It's you put in you take solace and you put in end to the red streak, and then next week you can continue at start a green streak. You'd feel better with a Tony shirt. Well, you know what to do. Get onto Etsy and get onto the Etsy store and go and buy one instead of being a leech. Sorry, Ian. Shouldn't be risking your whole account on a single trade, though. I'm sleepy. What's the biggest mover today? SGD still. EPS. Yeah, still up there. Inverse head and shoulders there, up at the high. Possibly. Neckline here at 790. I saw that earlier, I looked at that earlier, but it's under $2. I don't touch that. Come on, gap. We want you to gap up. No, you can't do big red days in it. Well, unless you've got a big account. I really should lock it. I really should lock it down, but I'm waiting for. Here we go. DDC's live. Okay, so we're getting the bounce here. We've got the opening range over 850. Be interesting if it's got a decent volume. Keep an eye on that. The S&P 500 just going green again. Volatility's dried up as well as the volume. Just want this to test 18 bucks. In its own time, of course. SNES looks like it's testing $3. Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Who had a SNES when they were younger? You still have your SNES? How old are they now? About 40 years old. So it would have come out, 90s was the SNES, wasn't it? Precursor to the PlayStation. PlayStation came after SNES. I think I had an Atari back in the day as well. Back in the 80s. A Commodore 64 at one stage. But the first computer I had was a Spectrum Plus 4, 16K plus 4. $20K. 20 kilobyte memory. Think about that for a second. I've got photos on my phone with that have got more than 20K memory in it. Sony Viao. Ah, yeah, that came after the so I had, what was the Sega, the Mega Drive. Sega Mega Drive. So Sony came after Sega, didn't it? Sony PlayStation. So we had the SNES and the Mega Drive competed against each other. I'm done for the day, kids. Sorry, but I'm locking this down. I'm making a bad day worse. I'm throwing good money after bad here, so I'm making a bad day worse. Yeah. So we had the Mega Drive and SNES competed against each other. Then's when Sony had their or whatever it was. Wasn't the best. And then we got the PlayStations. Crash Bandicoot. That was on the first PlayStation. That usually came with the first PlayStation. Crash Bandicoot and Tekken Warrior or Tekken Fighter or whatever it was. Game stations. It's Apple Mac. Yeah, Apple Macintosh. Where Microsoft stole the Windows concept from. Oh, so much for shorting Amazon. That's going breaking highs. And long may it continue. For Amazon over like 150, but let's have a look at where we are with the IPOs. Yeah, there's no volume on it. BDC Enterprise, no volume. Couple are not yet live. Will go live at $5. Yeah, absolutely, Ed. Absolutely. Playing it on an audio cassette, you can't even get an audio cassette these days, but playing it on trying to load your games on an audio cassette, twiddling the volume because it had to be just the right volume to get it to load. You'd have to load it, take about 20 minutes to load, and then 3 minutes into playing it would crash. Daley Thompson's Decathlon, that was another one. On the Spectrum 16 Plus, ZX Spectrum or whatever. Yeah, I'm not making, this is a bad day, a very bad day for me. I'm gonna lock it up here, guys. I'm gonna come back on Monday, and we don't want to know about. We're talking about computers, Rob, and we don't want to know about your floppy drives and your sexual habits. Thank you very much, Robin. You can keep that to yourself. This is a family stream, family stream. Keep it PG, okay? So yeah. Keep your floppy drive and your hard disk to yourself. I'll see you all on Monday, 8 o'clock. Hopefully we'll have a big day on Monday and recover some of this drawdown. I don't like finishing a weekend drawdown. It grates on me over a weekend, and then we'll see. Having a big move here. What kind of volume is it on? Let me just have a quick look. Chris. Wrong one. Currently up 70%. This is halted for the next 3 minutes. Looks like it's going to gap up. So, Puriting looks like it's going to gap up. No, maybe not. It's level resumption. It was showing 1046 on the resumption. Now it's showing level resumption. So, like, the thing is, look, let's just cover this off right now. As people say, you know, how you going to recover from such a big red day? And it's not the worst day I've ever had, for sure. So I'll show you how I recover from it. And let's just go to here. Where are we? And there we go. So this is how I recover from it. 113k for the month. So we're back to 80. We're back down to 80. 80k in a month. I'll take that. Happy days. It's a good solid month. It's no longer my 5th best month, but we've got time left. So zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Looking at the calendar, looking at the week, I kind of made it worse. Once I got over 20k, I was making it worse. So, you know, we were 28k in profit on the week. So we'll just give all that back and a bit besides. So we're now 5k in the hole on the week. But we're green on the month, and it's about zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Where are you? Green on the month. I'm very green on the year. So look, I can't get upset about having a bad day at the office. Still 1.3. Well, we're under 1.3 now, so we're 15k up over 1.3. So that takes us 15k under 1.3. So we've got to come back again. So your P&L, it happens. I've had worse drawdowns. I mean, I've 64k drawdown earlier in the year, 51k, 58k just there in last month drawdown at the beginning of last month. So it's not the worst drawdown I've had, and we've always come back stronger. The P&L curve is in the long term, it's upwards. So look, that's how you pick your chin up off the floor. And you know when you've traded bad, and you know when you've gone in and like doubling down, tripling down when from a weak position. You should never do that. Averaging down should only be done from a position of strength. Don't do that. Okay, guys. So if you do want to join the day trade with Tony, like I say, for the month of November, you can get on day trade with Tony, and you can get on it with 40% off using the Black Friday 40 coupon code. We've got the whole strategies, which I've not been very disciplined with today. See, that's it. I can teach you the strategies, I can teach you the knowledge, give you the knowledge. Be disciplined to stick to the strategy. Even I don't do that sometimes. So it takes practice. Here's the full syllabus: introduction to trading, risk management. Not very good at that today. Stock selection. I know the stock selection was fine. I got the volatile stocks today. Setting up your charts and what to look for on your charts as well. Chart patterns, the trading strategies, scanning using Benzinga or any other scanner for that matter. The principles are the same across the board. Trade management, and I'm just talking about the psychological game. So coming back from, this is what sets good traders apart from bad traders. All traders will have red days. So let me just get rid of that. And you can see here the full syllabus. All traders will have red days, but the good traders will bounce back from them and take it on the chin, knowing full well it's just part of the game. It's just part and parcel of what we do for a living, and you just got to put it behind you and start the next trading day afresh. And it should have been a lot less today. I should have got out at 23k down. Should have never gone back in and traded more. So once I was 28k down, kind of the red mist descended, and that's human nature. Emotions, trading on emotions will always lose you money. So keeping your emotions in check. Then we start talking about level 2 hotkeys, how to read the level 2, how to read the time and sales, etc. Trading as a business, what you got to look out for. Trading in LLC versus trading as an individual. Then advanced technical indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, etc. And then introduction to options trading. So check that out. It's I'd say it's 120 bucks is the regular price. You get 40% off. So you can get that for what, 80 bucks or whatever it is, less than. 3 months for 300 quid, so you can get it for less than 200 quid. Less than 600 quid for a year. It's a steal. So check it out. Use the code Black Friday 40, and I will be back on Monday. As per usual, Monday next week is a short week, so remember that, guys. Short week next week. We've got Thanksgiving on Thursday. We've got Black Friday on Friday. So just be careful with the volume next week. It might be a little bit lighter, but we'll be trading Monday through Wednesday. We'll see how Friday looks. I'll probably trade Friday because it's only a half day, so I'm usually finished before 12 anyway. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and I'll have a good weekend. Have a good weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. Take it easy, guys.